Now we have pair production. It is the process which occur when there is a interaction of gamma rays with the matter, though there are two more possibility, that is photoelectric effect and second one is Compton scattering, third one is pair production. We have already done these two phenomena. Now we have pair production. This process occur when the energy of incoming photon is equal to or greater than 1.02 MeV. So we can understand this process as जब जो कमिंग फोटोन है और जो कमिंग रेडिएशन है, रेडिएशन एनर्जी ऑफ द कमिंग फोटोन, उसकी एनर्जी इक्वल होगी 1.02 MeV के, तब वहाँ पे पेयर प्रोड्यूस होगा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा और एक पॉजिट्रॉन होगा. Mass of these two particles are equal, but the charges will be opposite. Like on electron there is negative charge, but on positron there will be positive charge. Positron is the antiparticle of this electron. So these pair will be produced when there is interaction of a photon with the matter, electron and positron. This energy is calculated as like in case of photoelectric effect, as we know, when the incoming photon has frequency equal to threshold frequency, only in that case there will be photoelectric effect can be seen. Same is the case with the pair production. When the energy of incoming photon is equal to greater than 1.02, only in that case the pair of these electron and positron will be produced. So energy is shared with the rest mass energy of positron plus rest mass energy of the electron. If this energy is greater than 1.02 MeV, if this energy is greater than 1.02 MeV, so the remaining energy will be shared with the kinetic energy of electron plus kinetic energy of positron. So 1.02 MeV calculated as like m naught is the mass of electron, that is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. C is the velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Then E is equal to m naught c square. This E is the energy of incoming photon, as photon has zero rest mass, so the energy of this photon is we know energy can be converted into mass or vice versa. So this mass energy equivalence, the energy of this photon is consumed in the production of two particle, that is electron and positron, and the mass energy of this electron, rest mass energy of this electron and positron is equal to m naught c square. So m naught, by putting this value 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 into 3 into 10 raised to power 8 square, so it will give us 9.1 into 8 into 10 raised to power minus 31 into 10 raised to power 16. So this energy is if we calculate in the term of electron volt, as 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. So by dividing this equation and further solving this equation, like 9.1 into 8 is 8, 9, it's a 72, 72.8 divided by 1.6 into 3 3 is a 9, here will be 9. 9.1 into 9, 81.9 into 10 raised to power minus 15 from here, and minus 16, so it will give 16, 5 is 80, and it will be 51 into 10 raised to power 4. So this whole form will give 51 into 10 raised to power 4. So dividing and multiplying this equation by 10 raised to power 2, it will give 51 divided by 100 into 10 raised to power 6. So it is 0.51, and this will be when we consider the unit here, it will be electron volt. So it will be 10 raised to power 6 electron volt, it will be मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. सो हमने ये सिर्फ एक पार्टिकल के लिए किया है जिसकी एनर्जी थी m0c². अगर इस पार्टिकल को हम इलेक्ट्रॉन कंसीडर करते हैं तो इतनी है एनर्जी का एक एंटी पार्टिकल होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन का, जो होगा पॉजिट्रॉन, जिसका मास भी इलेक्ट्रॉन के मास के इक्वल होगा. सो एडिंग द एनर्जी ऑफ, सो इन फ्रॉम हेयर वी कैन सी दैट energy in this case is equal. So if it is 0.51 MeV, so this will also be equal to 0.5 MeV. On adding these two, we will get 0.51 and 0.51, it will be 1.01 and 2. So from here we can see that if the incoming photon has energy equal to 1.0 MeV, only in that case this pair will be produced. But if energy is greater than 1.02 MeV, so the remaining energy, excluding the rest mass energy of both this particle, positron and electron, so excluding this energy, the remaining energy will be shared by the kinetic energy of electron and kinetic energy of positron. So now the energy of photon, that is equal to h nu, will be equal to 2 m0c². Why here is 2? Because 1 is just because of positron and 1 m0c² is because of electron, plus E k positive plus E kinetic energy for positron and kinetic energy for electron. Now by taking the form of energy in term of momentum and the rest mass, that is equal to p²c² plus m0² c raised to power 4, it is 1/2 plus minus. When we solve this equation for electron, then there will be energy range of the electron that is vary from minus infinity to minus m0c² and m0c² to plus infinity. Here is the two range, but here we see that there is a negative energy state. Classically these energy state doesn't exist, but quantum mechanics state that, or we can say from the direct hole theory, we can explain this negative energy state term like there will be a continuum of energy state like here, and from here it can be drawn like this, and this is minus m0c², and this is plus m0c², and this is infinity, and this is minus infinity. If this is a reference line denoting 0. So when we solve this equation for the electron, then there will be range of the energy, this one and this one, having the energy gap equal to 2 m0c². In the presence of photon or radiation, the electron will carry energy equal to 2 m0c² and will jump from this energy state to this. Here it again, when the electron sees the field of this photon, this coming photon, or we can say, or gain the energy equal to 1.0 MeV from this radiation, or we can say from the energy of this photon, then it will have energy equal to this gap 2 m naught c square. So electron from here will jump to this state. So there will be a vacancy, there will be a creation of vacancy. When electron from here will jump to this state, there will be a creation of vacancy, and this vacancy is this vacancy is understood in term of a particle, in term of a creation of a particle, that is positron with negative energy and with negative momentum. So if there is a creation of vacancy, correspondingly there will be a electron here. So in this way there will be a production of pair, that is of electron and positron.